Alright, welcome back to How Far It Will It Drag. Today's our Halloween special episode number 6, because Halloween's coming up this week. And today we're going to be dragging a jack-o'-lantern, or a pumpkin here. So we're in our costumes and we'll be dragging this pumpkin. Come along. Alright, so here's the setup. I'm going to wear this harness so I can drag that pumpkin behind on this string. The challenge is going to be getting that pumpkin to hold on. I think it's going to fall right off. If so, I might have to like drill a hole through it or something. We'll figure it out. We'll be dragging it on our scooter of choice today, this spin scooter, which we'll go ahead and get unlocked and get on the road. I knew it.
We ran it through the pumpkin and punched 2 holes through there. Here we go again, round 2. All right.
We had to retie it and poke holes through it because it came loose.
Aside from looking just like a festive pumpkin with all the different colors on it here, which is pretty cool, we've grown a big old crack in it. So I don't know how much longer it's going to last. This rope has come all the way through, and we can obviously poke another hole with this rope, so let's tear through that pumpkin. So we'll go ahead and drag it a little bit more. Alright, so we're at 7.5 laps here. This pumpkin hasn't really torn through anymore, but this is what it looks like.
Oh my gosh.
That's really funny. So,
and then a couple pumpkin seeds have fallen out.
Especially when it was rolling, the pumpkin seeds were just
Kind of
flying all around. So
but
that's really funny. Well, we'll keep going. That's pretty cool. Alright, 10 laps. You want to pick up the pumpkin on that side of it?
There we go.
Okay.
And if you look on the road, you can just see like orange skids on it. Oh, it's like, I don't know if it can see,
You can
but
probably tell.
so it's like super close to the actual, actually I'm sticking my finger. So, oh, it's still heavy even though half of it's gone. so right here is the core. So
we're at 12 laps here.
yeah, so it's super close to getting in the inside, so we'll keep doing it. Okay. Just had some pumpkin seeds fall out right there.
Hey, 15 over.
I don't think you're pointing right at it. So you can see it's like
Okay, 15 laps, let's keep going. All right, 20 laps exactly. Well, it's like 19 and a half, but we went a little bit extra here and there. So 20 laps exactly, I'm gonna call it. And let's see what happened. It finally broke free, so the rope wouldn't hold it any longer. So we'll see what it looks like.
oh my god. Let's do it from the side. Oh.
All right, there's our pumpkin. Look at all the seeds.
Smells good.
All the seeds are just down in one spot, so. All right, that is how long it takes to drag a pumpkin. We're not gonna go back to the top secret lab today. We'll just finish with this. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you have something you wanna see drugged, leave it in the comments down below and we'll try and do that. This was a viewer recommendation to do this pumpkin. So thanks for all the contributions, the comments, the likes. Keep sharing these videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching again. Have a good day. Peace out.
Happy Halloween.
All right, good.
Okay.